In this video, you can know about types of fabric in textile industry. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. The longitudinal threads are called the warp and the lateral threads are the weft. Knitting is a method for production of textile fabrics by interlacing yarn loops with loops of the same or other yarns. It is used to create many types of garments. Knitting may be done by hand or by machine. Non-woven fabric making process. Melt polymer chips, raw material. Form filaments by spinning the molten polymer and stretching the molten filaments. Separate and spread fiber bundles of many filaments and lay down the fibers on a net to form a web. Bind the fibers in the form of a sheet through thermal bonding and perform embossing.